definitely would love to explore this further, and maybe one of these days I'll come and get the motorcycle from Shreyas. Shreyas bhai, inka car ekko ji. Yes. Oh. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am at Zero Gravity. There you see at Shreyas place. So they are unveiling the all new V4 X Pulse with the rally kit, and they are unveiling it now. So we'll be going there. So you see all of them are waiting now for the unveil. Check that out. So we'll go in and check it out and tell you guys more about it. Namaskara. Namaste bhai. Mere Greece Garage. Namaskara. Sampath bhai ulleri. Namaskara. Hello.
എന്ത് ആവതൻ നമുക്ക്
എങ്ങനെയല്ലേ
സുഹേൽ ഭായ് നമുക്ക് ആവാ
അവയോ So all set to unveil the X Pulse 200 V4, which is equipped with a rally kit. Yes. Oh. And this is the V4 with rally kit all set.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ನತ್ತ ಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್
ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೇಮರ್ ಎನ್ನತ್ತು ಲೈಟರ್
ಎನ್ನತ್ತ ಲೈಟರ್ ಎನ್ನತ್ತ
ಏನ ಕೊರ್ಲೆ ಅಂದು ಎನ್ನತ್ತು ಲೈಟರ್ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್
ತೆರಿಕೆದಿಲ್ಲ
So time to take this new beast of Shreyas bhai for a spin. This is just going out now. It rained before I could come here, so I was wondering, will we be able to unveil this? But then no, was not able to do that. It didn't really harm anything. We could come and actually unveil this. So let's ride this beautiful machine, which is the Hero X Pulse V4, and this is equipped with rally kit. Hopefully I can reach my leg here. How does this feel? Wow, this is definitely peppier than the V2 and much more responsive, and the rally kit is just fantastic. You feel as if you're sitting on a, I don't know, high chair, or you know, it's super royal, like you're right on the top of the world, and the kind of vision that you get is brilliant. So I've done a detailed video between the BS6 and the BS4 X Pulse, and that was the V2, and today I'm riding the Xpulse V4, and the very first change that I see here is the throttle response. This is much more peppier. The acceleration is much more quicker than the BS6 V2. Well, that's what it said. I mean, that's the whole point of this particular motorcycle. This is much more responsive in that sense. And when it comes to my legs, I really can't ground my legs, either of my legs. They don't even reach close to the ground. So whenever I stop, I have to either kind of stand, saddle, suddenly come out, get my legs out, and then slowly park. That's what I need to do. And look at that. Nice. Even the downshift, the power which comes through is very, very nice. Good. I mean, overall, this motorcycle has become better than what it was. It was already good. It was nice. I think over the last couple of months, the sales of Xpulse has been extremely good, and V4 launch is only adding on to that and making this a much better motorcycle. And also the experience of riding this motorcycle is top notch. I mean, I must say this is super comfortable, super easy, lightweight, easy to maneuver. You can maneuver the motorcycle around. Well, despite of me being short and my legs not reaching the ground, I am not worried at all, because the kind of confidence this motorcycle gives you is excellent. You can control it very well. The braking is good. Comes with a 21-inch front wheel and 19-inch on the rear. And talking about the power, now what you see next is going to be a screenshot of the power of this motorcycle. So what you currently see is the spec sheet of this motorcycle. And when you look at the odo, you have a lot of information coming through in this odo. Also, you have the gear indicator, kilometer, RPM, and then you have the time here, and also a lot of other information here in terms of your trip, the time taken that you have traveled on the motorcycle, all of which has been shown here. So yes, now time to get back. Okay, I think one of my foot can be grounded, that is while turning, when you're leaning a little bit, that's all, not really while the motorcycle is straight. I can't ground my leg at all. And the Rally Kit suspension, I must say, this is mind-blowing suspensions. Both the front and the rear suspension work in absolute synergy and give you a perfect riding condition, an ideal riding situation. And also the riding position is upright, so which is comfortable riding position as well. Now let's go back to Shreyas's place. Overall, this is a very, very good package. If you wish to buy one, I mean, you should consider one of these if you are looking at a small capacity ADV motorcycle. This is a perfect setup for your trail ride and all of it. Not necessary for the highway, and even not necessary for the city. You might feel a little difficult to ride this motorcycle if you're not tall enough. Like if you're anything less than 5'10" or a 5'11", you might find difficulty, especially when there's a traffic jam or places where you need to completely halt the motorcycle. You might face the difficulty like the one I have currently, the situation what I have currently. But then luckily I don't have to step down. But then if you had to step down, then you'll have to get off the motorcycle to stop this, and then again get on the motorcycle to ride this. But if you are anything between 6 or taller than 6, you will find it comfortable. Your legs can be completely grounded. In my case, it's not happening at all at any given point in time. So let's get back to Shreyas' place. So again, like I was telling, not too sure on the top end how does it perform on the top end, because I didn't get a chance to kind of go and test out on the top end bit. Just riding within the city and getting a feeler of how this motorcycle feels. Definitely would love to explore this further, and maybe one of these days I'll come and get the motorcycle from Shreyas. So first I would like to thank Shreyas for calling me for this unveiling of his motorcycle, at the same time also giving me the opportunity to ride his motorcycle. There we are, back to the pavilion. So just done with the ride of Shreyas by the all new X Pulse 4V, and yeah, thank you Shreyas for the opportunity.
Thank you, bye.
Enja ಬೇಗ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಉಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆತುಂಡು ಫುಲ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಬೈ ಎಂಕ ಕಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಕೊಜ್ಜಿ ಅಂದಂದ್ ಅತ್ ಅಂಜನ ಮಿಸರ್ ಹೀಲ್ಸ್ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಬರೋಡ ಅಂದ್
ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಕ ಬೈ
ಅದು ಪೂರ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆವಂದ್. So that's it from Zero Gravity. Congratulations on the new motorcycle. Ride more, ride safe, and all the best. And we'll be doing a lot of trails in the next coming few months probably. So stay tuned until the next video. Please stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't vaccinated. Bye bye for now.